Watch this.
If you are part of the girls who have sworn to never take painkillers, when is that time of the month? Even though you are in so much pain, let me break it to you. There is no reward in endurance, no reward at all. Fast forward to when I finished senior high school, right? The pain intensified. My mom took me to hospitals for checkups. They said, oh, I'm fine, I'm fine. She's fine, it's just cramps. You see, it's just cramps. I'm dying, you're telling me it's just cramps.
Honestly, it really breaks my heart anytime I see videos like this. There is no reward for suffering pain as excruciating as cramps. I'm sure most of you girls can actually relate to it. Now, that is my story too, including my own sister. I have friends that are in my circle that do this because of the same reasons Cynthia mentioned, the side effects, and then sometimes it makes you form like a strong person if you can actually kick this cramp's ass without taking painkiller. There's some kind of pride that comes with it.
God have mercy upon us.
When you're in pain, and you need relief. If you need a relief, get it. The most painful part for me again is the fact that when girls like go to the hospitals, even the doctors keeps diagnosing that it is normal. I can't wait for the day that it is normal diagnosis would end. It is never normal. When you're going through pain like that, that actually stops you in your routine. So imagine being in senior high school and then the bell is ringing and you have to change activities, and unfortunately you get stuck midway or sometime around this routine because there's cramps. Nobody is believing you in the first place. Even you yourself, you don't even understand what's happening to you. And sometimes you can get punished for being in pain. All of these are happening. You go to the hospital and you're wondering, you're like, why do I keep going through this excruciating pain? Doctors will look at you like this and tell you, it's normal, you're fine, go home. It's a life sentence, but then they tell you you're fine. That is so dangerous, and that's so sad. Endometriosis, adenomyosis, these are all menstrual health conditions that could be causing the pain that you have every month. Unfortunately, you are not going to get any diagnosis because of your skin color and because you're in Ghana. And this is how they've been trained to handle cases like this. So Cynthia, myself, and most of the girls, we are victims to this misconception. That is how far I'm willing to go to empower you, to empower myself, to empower all women around, especially Black women, to walk into the doctor's office confident, get your diagnosis, get your treatment that works for you, so that in the long run you are not always popping painkillers. You don't deserve to be living in pain all the time and be told it is normal. That has to change. This is the Period Truth Podcast. We talk about all things menstrual health, menstrual pain, creating awareness, advocating for all girlies out there because we deserve better and you are seen.